please tell me a little bit about your background?
So I grew up in Colorado, a small ski town, and I'm very outdoorsy. I like to go hiking and be active. And so when I started school at the University of Portland, I became a yoga instructor on campus as well as worked at the gym. I'm also working towards a double major in Spanish and nursing. I studied abroad in Spain for about 5 months, and that helped me get my major in Spanish. And then now I'm working towards my BSN in nursing and should be graduating here in May. And then we'll hopefully proceed on to get a job in the emergency department.
What do you find most rewarding about being a nurse?
Something that I find is very rewarding being a nurse is being able to care for the vulnerable. I think that seeing people in such a vulnerable state in the hospital really pulls at some of my heartstrings, and I think being able to be there both physically, emotionally, and spiritually for them really is a passion of mine, and it's also very rewarding to see that I can support them. But then on more of a personal note, I think something that's very rewarding is getting the feedback from my patients and realizing how much gratitude I need to have for my own life, and that I can see how things can happen so quickly to loved ones or to yourself, and so to be able to be so grateful for my own life is also a reward.
Would you say that compassion is what motivates you as a nurse?
I would also say that, again, seeing how vulnerable these people are is such a big motivation for me, and I really have a true passion for helping people and giving them comfort and giving them something to ease their pain or their mind. And in the hospital, everyone's looking for a cure or getting fixed, and it can be so scary, and I want to be able to help them find that cure or ease their mind.
Okay. What do you find difficult about being a nurse?
Something that challenges me as a nurse is finding that fine line between being professional and being compassionate. And I know that you can mix the two of those, but I'm a very compassionate person in nature, and sometimes I think I pour my whole entire heart and soul into every single patient, and that can be draining on me as a nurse, and sometimes be a little bit crossing the line towards another patient if I'm becoming way too caring for them and more concerned about their whole entire outcome rather than just their stay in the hospital. So it's finding that fine line here as I begin my professional practice.
How would your current boss or your former describe you as a person?
So my current boss right now is the coordinator of the college gym, and I think he would describe me as a very determined, hardworking, and responsible employee. I think that he sees that I always show up to work on time, and I communicate with him very well if I need someone to cover me or anything like that. And he always likes to mention that I always have a smile on my face and am willing to work hard.
Describe your 3 to 5 year professional plan.
So once I graduate, I'm hoping to get a job in the emergency department, and after a few years, developing my practice and becoming more comfortable, I'd like to be able to strengthen my professional practice and strengthen my knowledge base by getting some certifications. I'm already ACLS certified, but maybe getting pediatric advanced life support certified, and also really looking towards the charge nurse position and being able to step into that role and be professional.
Describe one of your weaknesses.
I think one of my weaknesses is time management. I know as nurses, whether you're new or very experienced, time is always of the essence, and it can be challenging to figure out how to get everything in on the same shift or how to get everything in for each patient. And so right now I'm working to better this weakness and to make it a strength. And so my focus will be, as I begin to learn more, just how to better time manage and better assess patients quickly and learn how to do that.
And lastly, do you have a role model or someone that you look up to?
I think one of my big role models is my brother. He's very passionate about what he does, and he's also very passionate about being able to live outdoors and being able to have fun and work hard at the same time. And he has worked so hard to get where he is in his career and has seen so many benefits, and it's just the passion that he holds is really a big role model for me.
Awesome, that's it.
Thank you.